Welcome to this class. In last class we studied about general properties of table, and in today class we will discuss about lookup properties of the table. So how these lookup properties works? For this we have to create a table. We will come in database and we'll go to create table design and we'll create a table like this. ID, we can say employee ID. It will be auto number and primary key. Second is employee name, tax, and third is gender, tax, and next is qualification. It will be tax. So we can set lookup properties for this column. By default, for every type of value there is a text box, but we can look here, gender can be male or female, means out of two we have to select one. So for gender we can take another control except text box, that is combo box. Combo box provide us capability or option to select one out of multiple options. So for that we'll set its row source property as value list and we'll fill those values like this: male semicolon female. This I write this like this. Like this, male semicolon female. Next is we have to it's okay. Now qualification. For qualification again we will take list box. In list box we will say here value list and we will say qualification bit can be 10th, 12th, UG, undergraduate, PG, postgraduate, and PhD. And one more thing we have to set, allow multiple values to select yes. From here we will click and say yes. So in case of qualification, a person can have a number of qualifications and multiple qualifications, so we can select multiple values. For this we have to keep this option yes. Now we'll save this table as employee table 5. Okay, close this table, open. Name is Amir, gender is male, so we can select one out of two, gender is male. But in case of qualification, here is checkbox, so we can select multiple qualification. Like this. So these are the use of lookup properties of table. Same thing we can also apply for designation. Designation can be manager, accountant, designer, programmer. Marital status can be married, unmarried, single, double, couple. Hobbies can be playing, singing, dancing, and all things. So according to choice we can take all these fields. So this is the tutorial in which I told you how we can use lookup properties of a table. Lookup properties of a table, and I told the use of triple of properties. Text box that we commonly use, and what is the use of list box, and what is the use of combo box I told in this video, and how we can use them. Still then, if you feel some problem or if you have any query, you can ask me through a comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, you can share with your friends, and you can subscribe my channel for more videos of such types or for more videos of this series. Thanks for watching.